สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, I'm Oath Thai in the United States. I'm cooking my favorite dish in the United States because it's only dish that I can cook well. Stir fry red chili with any vegetable. Today I cook snow pea with pork chop. I cooked pork chop last night and serve my husband, and then I kept some leftover to cook this meal. When I cook, I always think about my favorite dish in Thailand, which I could not cook: deep fried fish with red chili. I don't cook deep fry at all because I'm scared with the oil spread. And secondly, I feel like wasting the amount of oil for deep fry, because when we cook finished, we must throw away the oil. So I didn't do deep fry for a long while and would not do anymore. When I would like to eat deep fry like chicken or other stuff, I purchase. And this is what I cook the best. But I need to be careful when seasoning, not over salty sauces. Every sauces I added, if not controlled well, I'm gonna add too much and cause salted, and also not add much sugar to cause too sweet. Anyway, I cook rice mixed with the oil that left over in the pan, and at the end I cook chicken for my husband. So we enjoy our meal. My husband eat with me sometime. I mean stir fry. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.